All right, you guys, we are going to talk about kind of the revamping of this assignment for the blog site part 2 in WordPress. Everything is still the same as the assignment was before, but I've broken it down in different detail. And then also, I'm going to go through some different ways to navigate things a little bit better than what we talked about in class last. So just wanted to give you some different options here and different ways to see things. So these are the same exact requirements, just again broken down in more detail. So we have a minimum of 4 pages in your website, and this is not including your home page. So these are the extras here. So the one will be your blog page, the second will be your contact page, the third will be those ones, the third and fourth are the two that you chose the content area. Okay, so these two are your choosing. Okay, the next part is to make sure that all of our navigation works between our home page and our 4 pages here. The next thing is to choose your new design template. Again, same as before. The one thing I want to talk about again though here is make sure that the design fits the theme of your blog. Okay, so it's not just have way off the wall stuff here different. Make sure it fits the theme. And then you'll have 5 points for the content of your homepage. You'll have 5 points for the content for page 1 of choice, so that's that other content your choice. And then 5 points for content for page 2 of choice up here. And then you need to customize each page, and I'll walk you through how to do this. I talked to you a little bit about graphics and grammar and content on this, but I'm going to go into more detail here. So your due date for this site has been extended because we need to go into more detail and I need to give you guys some more options here. Okay, so now I am in WordPress, my WordPress site, the one that I created to kind of walk you guys through this. And I'm going to start doing things from my dashboard. Last time I showed you things through design, but there's a simpler way to do these, so I wanted to show you this. So this is my dashboard for my site, and I am going to get this drop down here to show up, and then I'm going to click on pages because the first thing I'm going to show you is how to add your pages. Okay, so here will be the pages that are automatically in your template. So whatever template you had chosen, these would be defaulted to whatever it says. So you probably ended up with one that said about me here, and in order to get rid of a page that you would want to do is click over here on the toggle menu, and it would bring down to a trash button. I don't know if it'll let me on that one here. Okay, so I would click trash and then it would trash that page. It would get rid of it, put it, take it away, and then I'll show you how to add pages. So then I would come up here and add new page. And here I would get to pick kind of what kind of page it would be. If it's a contact page, I pick here, menu, portfolio, services page. So depending on what you're going to be doing with this page, you pick your design. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just pick a portfolio, and then I'm going to select use portfolio layout. So before I go through and change anything, I'm going to make sure to click save draft, and then I will go back to my pages here, and I can see it's not up here yet, my portfolio, so I'm going to look in the drafts, and that's where I'm going to find. So you see I have 2 home pages within my drafts too right now. So in order to view it on my site, then all I need to do is click here and publish. Okay, and I'm also going to publish my home page. Okay, so that is how you add new pages, remove pages, pick out your template for it, all that stuff. So that's going to be the end of this tutorial on how to navigate the pages and all of that.